Hi, in this video, we will see how to resize the clip. Add more clips and unmute the clip. Now, let's get started. Before moving to the video, please subscribe to my channel. Select New Project. I have selected a photo of bag. I have selected an image. You can also add any video. You can see the video is of 3 seconds only. We can make it smaller, or we can also increase its duration by simply dragging it to the right. Let's adjust it to 10 seconds only. If your video has sound, you can mute it by pressing mute button and unmute it by pressing it again. To add any more image or clip, press the plus button to add more. Now I am adding another image of a bag. Let's expand this to 5 seconds. Now we have made the clip of 15 seconds. To add audio, click the Add Audio button to add sounds. You can add sounds, record audio, check copyright, etc. by choosing one of the options below. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, comment below and do subscribe my channel for more videos.